we are going to look at the clipboard group. The clipboard group can be found in the Home tab in the top left-hand corner, and it contains the copy, cut, paste, and format painter function.
The copy function allows you to copy text or images from your document. To do this, you can highlight the text and then select the copy icon in the Home tab. You'll note that nothing has happened. In the background, the computer has stored this in its memory, and it will remember this when you want to paste it.
The paste function allows you to place that copied material anywhere you like. To do this, make sure your cursor is selected in the right place, and then look for the paste icon and select it. The cut function is similar to the copy function. To use it, you should highlight a selection of text or an image. You then need to select the cut icon, which will look like a pair of scissors. You will notice that the selected text or image will disappear. That is because it has been cut away. Place your cursor where you want the cut text or image to go, and then paste like you were shown before. The format painter function copies the style and formatting of a section of text. To use this function, you need to first place your cursor in a section of text that you want to copy. Next, you need to select the format painter icon from the clipboard. Once you have done this, you then need to highlight the selection of text which you want to change the formatting of. Once you've highlighted it, you can click off and you'll see that the format of that section has changed. It is recommended that as your skills develop with Microsoft Word, that you start to use the keyboard shortcuts for copy and paste. You can use Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy and Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste. This will speed up the time it takes you to complete these functions.
You can also use the right click on your computing mouse to copy, cut, and paste. All you need to do, select some text or a paragraph or an image, and then right click on it. The first options will be cut, copy, and paste. You should use the function that works best for you, whether it's in the software, using shortcut keys, or using the mouse.